excessive heat watch remains in effect from Friday afternoon through Friday evening. Heat advisory for today has expired. Temperature, heat index values between 113 to 118 degrees. Impacts, heat-related illnesses are likely, including heat exhaustion and heat stroke. The risk of death increases for pets and children left unattended in vehicles. An excessive heat watch means that a prolonged period of hot temperatures is expected. The combination of hot temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a dangerous situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Thank you for listening to